Evan, Mrs. Ulickney here. We're going to be working on page 223 and 224. So today is your at-home work for Tuesday, January, let me just double check the date, 26. So let's look at number 1. It says, fill in the blanks. So 5 plus what number gets us to our total or our sum of 6? I hope you're thinking 1. Now, Ev, look at our pattern. 5, we don't know what this is yet, or this, but 5. If we have a 5 and a 5 starting our problem, what do you think the next number is? Yep, it's 5. So 5 plus what number gets us to 7? I hope you're thinking 2. So we know it's 5, 5, and what's the pattern? The 5 is going to go here. So 5 plus 3 equals 8. Then 5 plus what number equals 9? Look at our pattern. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 5 plus 4 equals 9. So our pattern was we repeated the 5. Okay? And then 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's look here. We're not sure exactly what our first number could be, but it will give us a hint because this problem starts with a 6. And what number plus 1 gets us to 7? Yes, 6 plus 1 equals 7. 6 plus what number equals 8? 6 plus 2. Let's look at our pattern. 6, 6, and 6. 6 plus what number equals 9? 3. Good. 6, 6, 6, and 6. 6 plus 4 equals 10. So look at our pattern. 6, 6, 6, and 6. And then 1, 2, 3, 4. Remember, a pattern repeats itself. Let's look at number 2. What number plus 3 equals 6? How do you go from 3 to 6? I hope you're thinking 3. 3 plus 3 equals 6. How do we go from 3 to 7? 3 plus 4 equals 7. How do we go from 3 to 8? 3 plus 5 equals 8. So 3, 3, 3. What's the pattern? What would be next? 3. So 3 plus 6 equals 9. How do we go from 4 to 7? 4 plus what number equals 7, Ev? I hope you're thinking 3. 4 plus 3 equals 7. We know we're starting with a 4. So what's the pattern? We're going to start with a 4 here. 4 plus 4 equals what number, Ev? I hope you're thinking 8. And look, it's a doubles fact. Doubles facts are when the two addends are the same. We know our pattern, 4, 4, and 4. 4 plus 5 equals 9. What's the sum, Evan, for 4 plus 6? 10. And look at our pattern, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, and our pattern was we started with 4. All right, let's look at page 224, and we'll fill in the blanks. Okay, so here's a fact family. We have our sum of 9 and an addend of 7. 7 plus what number equals 9, Ev? How do we go from 7 to 9? 2. Good job. So then we know 9 minus what number equals 7? What's the other number in our fact family? 9 minus 2 equals 7. And Evan, what does 9 minus 7 equal? 2. Very good. Let's go down here. The sum is missing. 8 plus 2. What is 8 plus 2? What's the sum? 10. Let's look here. So Ev, remember when we subtract, our sum or the total always goes first. So 10 minus 2 equals 8. What would go here? I hope you're thinking 10 minus 8 equals 2. Remember, the biggest number goes first when you're subtracting. Let's look at number 4. 4 plus what number equals 6? I hope you're thinking 2. Let's look at our pattern. 6 blank 8. What number comes after 6 but right before 8? I hope you're thinking 6, 7. 6, 7, 8. So 4 plus what number, Evan, equals 7? I hope you're thinking 3. Look at our pattern. 4, 4, and 4. 4 plus 4 equals 8. And there's a doubles fact because our addends are the same. Let's look here. 6, 7, 8, 9. What number plus 5 equals 9? 2, 3, 4. Whoops, sorry, honey. Yep, 2, 3, 4. What number equals 9? We're always starting with 4, 4, 4, and 4. 4 plus 5 equals 9. Okay, let's go down here. We have blank 8, blank 10. What number comes right before 8? I hope you're thinking 7. What number plus 2 equals 7, Evan? How do you go from 2 to 7? 5, good. 5 plus what number equals 8? I hope you're thinking 3. Let's look here. 7, 8, 9, 10. 5 plus what number equals 9? How do you go from 5 to 9? I hope you're thinking 4. Then what number plus 5 equals 10? Remember the pattern, 5, 5, 5, and 5. Remember, a pattern repeats itself. Now it says here, use the facts in problem 4. Complete the subtraction fact. It says 7 minus what number equals what number? So let's look for a problem in our table that has a sum of 7. A sum of 7. Ooh, this has a sum of 7. So what would our subtraction fact be? 7 minus 2 equals what? 5. Let's look here. Let's find a problem in our table that has a sum of 9. Here's one that has a sum of 9. 9 minus 4 equals what? 5. Let's look here. Let's find a problem that has a sum of 10. Here, I see a sum of 10. So 10 minus 5 equals what? 5. And let's find a problem that has a sum of 8. Here's one that has a sum of 8. So 8 minus 3 equals what? Equals 5. Okay, Ev, I hope that helped you. Make sure to bring this back to school with you next week. Bye.